Hairbird Breeze imitation. Actually, it's not. It's a copy. Sorry about that.
Leave it, trainer.
Known brand name, so it's obviously a copy. I had to unravel the chain out of there because it was stuck, and it was a long chain. Pretty long chain extension.